Hey everyone! So yesterday in our writing, we focused on revising our writing and adding more details. So today what we're going to do is go back and look at our writing and edit our stories. So you should have a completed story by now. You should have a beginning, middle, and ending that you've gone back and added details to. So like I said, we're going to look at our drafts today and edit them. We're going to check for capitalization, punctuation, and spelling. So, steps to revising your draft and editing your draft. So, you want to make sure that you follow these steps, that way you don't forget anything as you're editing. So, the first thing is that you just want to read what you wrote. And my best advice to you, and what I always do, is read it out loud if I can. That way, when I read it out loud, I hear what it sounds like, and I can hear if I made a mistake and I need to change something. So if I don't like the way I worded something, or if something's not spelled correctly and I'm trying to read it, then I'll notice that it's spelled incorrectly and I can fix it. I can tell if I want to change the way I talk about something or add in more details. It really helps you to understand what you need to edit and fix. You also want to make sure that you have the correct punctuation marks. If you have a question, you put a question mark. If you're saying something that's exciting, you're going to put an exclamation point. If it's just something that's just a statement, you'll just put a period. You also want to double check that you have capitalized everything that you should in your story. Anytime you have a name, like your own name, a pet name, a parent name, anybody's name, you're going to capitalize it. We've talked about that before. If it's the name of a place, you're going to capitalize it. And if it's the word I, you're always going to capitalize it as well. Then you want to check that you have things spelled as correctly as you can. I want you to try to correct your spelling on your own. Stretch the word out, listen to all the sounds that you hear, and then if you can't spell it, just spell it the best that you can. And then you're just going to make all the needed changes that you need. Sometimes in your writing you realize you want to change something, and that's absolutely fine. As a writer, you have that freedom. You can do that. But just make sure that you go through your whole story. So today there is a video that you guys are going to watch. The link is here, and it will also be in the assignment today in the slides like you see here. So you're going to watch this video, and it just goes over and gives you really good examples about making sure that you have capital letters, making sure you have punctuation, and making sure that you have the correct spelling and how to fix your spelling. So guys, plain and simple, all you're going to do today is go back through your story and edit. Make sure you have capital letters, make sure you have punctuation where it goes, and make sure that you have correct spelling as best as you can. Remember, you're going to write like you tell the story, write like you talk. If you need to go back and look at your plan, you can. This was the sample outline from the first few days of our writing. Okay, so if you need to go back, you can do that. So you're going to make another copy of your document and edit. It's okay if you don't have a title yet. That's perfectly fine. We just want to make sure that you're editing to make sure everyone can read it. Go ahead, guys. You're going to do great.